Now, let us take up the concept number 3, 2B.3, writing an interactive program. So far, I have explained all the 4 sections and each and every element of each section meticulously through theoretical explanation as well as programs. One thing I am telling you, once again I am telling you, after understanding the theory, work out the corresponding program, then only you can own it. Okay, this is a distinct study. Most of you know academic studies. Even computer science also, most students study in academic manner for writing exams. I know many students they by heart programs also. Okay, I am not talking about those people and all that. I want you to show you a wonder. Within 2 days, what substantial thing you can achieve through your intelligence, manifest your personality before you. You see your capabilities, what you can do. That I want to show through these lectures. Now you see here, now 4 sections: declaration section, input section, process section, and output section. In this, one cash bill we are writing. In cash bill, what are the items with reference to this item, quantity, rate, amount? The three are input variables. This is output variable. Already explained to you. With reference to this, we write program, and mainly we focus on input section because I have introduced to the explained the input section right now. That's why we mainly focus on this. And declaration section, char item, int quantity or numbers, float rate, and amount. Output variable, it should be float because int versus float, amount should be float. So declaration section is over. Thereafter, input section, we have to write scanf statements. Along with the scanf statements, for making it user friendly, then we are writing prompt statements also. Now you see, for what always to make your program user friendly, for every input you write 2 statements, one prompt statement and one scanf statement. For every input variable, separate scanf statement you write, corresponding prompt statement you write, then it is quite readable. Now we see, enter the item, then scanf, percentage C, address of item. Thereafter, enter the quantity is equal to, I explained how prompt statement behaves. Then scanf, percentage D and quantity. Thereafter, enter the rate is equal to scanf, percentage D, here rate, percentage F, and ampersand rate. So 3 scanf statements we have written for assigning the values for item, quantity, and rate. Okay, input section is over. Thereafter, processing section, only one formula for calculating the amount. Amount is equal to quantity into rate. Then this fourth variable also filled with this value. So thereafter, output section, already for many programs I explained, so I think you don't require any more explanation for that. So with reference to this, you write output statements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 printf statements you have to write. You write only by practice, you can master them and write the printf statements. Thereafter, 4 sections are there. You execute the program. This is your first complete program. Understand? Just the matter of 2 days of endeavor, you are able to achieve great things. That too, you are writing this program formally, all the sections. And one more thing I am telling you, after every section, after writing every section, one line gap you keep. You write one line gap. By that, program is quite readable. It is like your good handwriting, nice formation. Declaration section, one line gap, clear screen. Thereafter, input section, one line gap. Thereafter, processing section, one line gap. Thereafter, output section, and you write comments against them and all that. And the top we write comments, everything neatly. It should be like a photograph, yeah, or otherwise well formatted document. So not dumping the code. Understand? So you see how I have written programs. You download the text and see how I am writing. From the day one, whatever you start, you continue that. Suddenly you cannot change your behavior. So that's why not only getting result, and you should write program in a very readable format. Not only ends, means should be good. So that always you remember. And whatever good convention, good practices, programming practices I explained contextually, all that from the meticulously you follow and write nice program. There should be a good beginning. A good beginning is half ending. That you must understand. And one more thing, first experience is the first impression will be everlasting in impression. So I want to give you not only good, not just good. I want to create a great impression on the C language, and through this program you can get it. Provided if you work for 2 days on these concepts and programs.